a lot of times we think that I wish I could get this, I wish I could get that project, I wish I could create content, I wish I could make the most out of my time, I wish I could be more physically fit. We wish all of that good stuff for ourselves, but at the end of the day, you will find yourself scrolling on your mobile phone, lying on your bed, having unhealthy food which is not filling you up, going to all the parties you can possibly think of, and spending your time very unintentionally. I've probably made a lot of videos of what your habits should look like in order to be the best version of yourself. This video is not about that. This video is about knowing what the best version of yourself would look like. When we say being the best version of yourself, it is in two possible ways. A, that is what society has said us in terms of money, in terms of success, in terms of everything that you can think of. And B, which is very interesting, is when your mind aligns with your action and with your goals. A lot of times people do achieve that kind of success in their life. They earn a lot of money, they are acing in their professional life, everything is amazing from outside, but from inside they are very empty, which is because their mind is not aligned with their goals and with their identity. So we want to be the best version of yourselves in the second part, which is I need to know what my goals are, I need to know what my ideal self would look like, and then I need to have actions in order to achieve that goal. And that, my dear friends, is being the best version of yourself, which can be different for you, which can be different for me, and which can be different for all of us. Now, of course, you will find all of those jargons everywhere: change the environment, wake up early, or make a to-do list, journal everything, go exercise, and all of that, which is amazing and which is all of good stuff. And I'll link a video over here, it's all about that. Have a exact to-do list from that video. But to be the best version of yourself, you have to be harsh on yourself. You have to say no to the plans. You have to say no when there is a sudden urge to have something junk. You have to say yourself yes for that workout. You have to do uncomfortable things. So I'll give you a homework. This is gonna be a super short video because this is just a reminder to start your being your best version of yourself journey. Write down what your ideal self would look like. Okay, if I give you my example, I was never like this. I was never this physically fit. I was never a person who would pay attention to what she's eating. I was never good in communication skills. I was not good at studies. I think I was a mediocre child in everything. Cut to now, I've learned sports, I've learned communication skills. But I'm saying you all this because I wasn't born with any of it. I have built those skills. I have worked on myself every single day, and you can too. So I want you to write everything on a piece of paper what your ideal self would look like. For instance, your ideal self would look like somebody who goes to do a 9-to-5 job, somebody who's very regular with the workout, somebody who takes care of what they are eating, somebody who does something meaningful for the society, somebody who is either creating content or somebody whose communication skills is very fluent, someone who is traveling maybe. No matter what it is, write all of it down. And I want you to believe in yourself, as cliche as it sounds, because when I was trying to be out of the box, when I was trying to ace in every part of my life, people were there to pull me down, that Simran, it's not possible to give 100% in all the areas of your life, which I think it's true. You can't give 100% of yourself in all the aspects of your life. Does not mean you cannot give your efforts in that area of your life. There will be a time period in your life that you will fully focus on your physical fitness. There will be a time period in your life that you will go in a nutshell and just study to crack that exam, to crack that interview, to learn something new. There will be a time in your life where you will go in a nutshell and focus on that one project. So it's not like you are just working like a robot throughout your day. I want you to know yourself better. So yes, write everything in a piece of paper. Then write what your schedule should look like. If not the exact schedule that मैं 6 बजे उठूंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, 7 बजे मुझे ये करना है, 5 बजे मुझे ऑफिस से आकर. If you don't want to write exactly like this, just write how many hours you want to allocate to a certain activity. For instance, I want to exercise for 1.5 hours. I want meal prep at least once in a week. I want to go for walk every day. So I want 1.5 hours for walking. And in that same period of walking, I am gonna stack a habit, which again is in one of my videos. I'm gonna stack a habit of either learning something new, talking to someone I want to talk from a long time, or else making content while walking. And then I want to do this much hours of journaling, 15 minutes for journaling, 15 minutes for reading book, 2 hours of deep work, 2 hours of this. You have scheduled your day. You have to force yourself to stick to that schedule for first 1 month. People say it's easy, you have to like just follow the habits, you have to change, you have to increase it by 1%. Yes, but as someone who does not do any of it, even to increase by 1% is gonna be difficult for you. And I want you to stay in that difficult position. Do it despite it is difficult. See, if you want to change yourself and be the best version of yourself, it's not gonna come easy. ऐसा नहीं होएगा कि आज आपने डिसाइड किया कि कल से मैं बस एक आइडियल सेल्फ बन जाऊंगा और कल से आप बन गए. But you have to force yourself to do certain things. You are not gonna enjoy probably working out. You're not gonna enjoy those boring food. You're not gonna enjoy a lot of things that you need to do in order to be your best self. But trust me, once you start doing it, you will have that dopamine hit. और कोई तुम्हें आके ये नहीं बताने वाला कि तुम्हें इतने घंटे पढ़ाई करनी है, इतने घंटे ये करना है, क्योंकि nobody knows what your ideal self looks like. Nobody knows what you want to become unless and until you hire a personal. So nobody knows you better than you yourself. After seeing this video, take a book and journal everything. What your ideal self should look like, how their day look like, how much time you want to allocate to those things, and make sure you force yourself to do those things. Again, one more thing I want to add in this list is make a list of do's and don'ts. You must have noticed that whenever you set a goal for yourself, sometimes you are able to achieve it and sometimes you are not. What were the factors making you reach your goal will come in the do's list, and the factors that are distracting you in order to reach to that goal comes in the don'ts list. For instance, do's list can be a deep work session, staying away from your mobile phone, or exercising so that your mind is clear, learning something new every day. Anything can be in the do's list. And don'ts list can be not going for unnecessary hangout, watching mobile phone, watching that series, or just spending unnecessary time on things that you should not be spending time on comes in the don'ts list. And you just need to make yourself well aware that the do's list is your friend and don'ts list is that enemy who is sneaking in your life as a friend but is not your friend. So once you make that list, make sure to tell yourself every day what your goal is. Just stick it near your study table and remind yourself that I want to be here, I want to be the best version of myself, and I have to do this every day. I know I'm not gonna like it. I know it's difficult. I know that watching mobile phone is easy. I know distracting myself is easy. Chilling with my friend is easy. But I want to do the hard things. Why? Because for once in my life, I want to be the best version of myself. For once in my life, I want to taste that success that people are talking about. For once in my life, I want to see how it feels to give you 100%. I want to see how it feels to be at the best physique. I want to see how my body reacts when I do all those good stuff with my body, like give the best food, try to be healthy, try to sleep on time, wake up on time, have nutritious meal, exercise on time. I want to see how all of it impacts my body, my brain, my environment, and all of it will come at the cost of self-sacrifice. Nothing will come to you in an easy way. Nothing is a shortcut, my dear friends. If you're willing to find a shortcut, that's not happening. अगर तुम्हें कुछ भी चीज करने के लिए शॉर्टकट चाहिए ना यार कि इसको इजी तरीके से कैसे कर लूं, हाउ टू लूज फैट विदाउट एक्सरसाइजिंग, नहीं होता है, ठीक है. इन ऑर्डर टू डू समथिंग यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट पेन, यू हैव टू go through that process, then only you will reach there. And yeah, this is all I can say of how you can be your best version. I'm so sorry, this is not what my usual video look like. Otherwise I usually come with habits and pointers, etc, etc. And if you're somewhere interested in that, then I'll list few videos over here wherein there are exact points of how you can be the best version of yourself. But as I said, it's not the same for everybody, and hence you need to focus on yourself and your needs and your goals and your aspirations. Till that time, take care, bye bye, see you. My name is Simran Jain and I make videos about productivity, mindset shift, and being the best version of yourself. Take care, bye bye, see ya.